New to ActiveCampaign? Let's walk through how to create your very first campaign and show you how easy it is to orchestrate personalized on-brand messages that truly connect with your future customers. From your main dashboard on the left-hand side menu, you're going to click into Email, Campaigns, and Create a Campaign. From here, you can select to create a campaign from scratch, select a specific template, or use the help of AI to generate your campaign for you. Then, you're gonna give your campaign a name, something like Summer Sale or Welcome Series. For one-time emails, you can select the campaign type Standards. This is great for timely updates, promotions, and announcements. Next, you can choose your audience. You can send to a full list, or you can add an extra layer of segments based on behavior, interests, and locations, so your message feels personal, not generic. Need help writing? Just give our AI assistant a few keywords, and we'll generate subject lines and email content ready to customize for your audience. Then use the Brand Kit to instantly apply your branding. Enter your website's URL and ActiveCampaign pulls in your logo, fonts, colors, and socials, so every campaign looks like you with zero design work. Use the drag and drop builder to make your campaign your own. Add and generate images, headlines, and buttons. Personalize content to make every message feel relevant and timely. Preview your campaigns on desktop and mobile, and send a quick test so you can see exactly what your future customers will experience. When you're ready, send now or schedule for later. You are in control every step of the way. After sending, track opens, clicks, and engagements in real time. These insights allow you to optimize your campaigns with every send. With ActiveCampaign, you're not just sending emails, you are orchestrating meaningful experiences that move your business forward. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.